Oh, good. Well, that's my phone charging on the wireless charger, so I'll get some boost into that again. So, welcome to my channel. If you're a regular visitor, then great to meet you again. Enjoy the videos this time. If it's your first time here, then great to make new friends. Have a look around the website. Like the videos you find useful. Share them with other people who think it'll help them. But most importantly, subscribe to the channel for two reasons. One is you'll get notifications when more videos like this are coming up. And secondly, it will be helping me boost my subscriber numbers because we're looking to get another 100 new subscribers by the end of the month that you're watching this video in. So please help. Today we'll be looking at passkeys, a great alternative to passwords, much more secure. But before that, as regular viewers will know, I always do a quick tip. And today we're going to be looking at this, which is a USB microscope. It's got a Wi-Fi on it as well, so you can connect it to laptops and things. Plug a charger in there. We can turn it on with the switch here. Switch here. It's got a light. It's got a light, so you can boost things up and down. And it's also got some zoom keys here and a focus wheel. So let's have a look at how good it is. Oh, I should mention it's a full 4K microscope as well. So let's have a look at something. So we're just going to unscrew that. Oh, yes, comes with this handy stand as well, which is quite useful. So we've now got the microscope nicely secured in here, and we can zoom up and down. I'm going to switch on to something else in a moment, so I just need to put the USB cable back in again. A little microphone. As you can see, there's an epidermis of an onion here. I thought I'd do that for vegetarians things. So really good quality vision on there. So quite a handy little tip. Anyway, we're going to be looking at passkeys, the benefits of using those as opposed to traditional passwords. So let's get started. So why is there a lot of fuss about passkeys? Aren't passwords enough? Well, no, because the trouble is that traditional passwords have a number of difficulties, shortcomings in fact. One is people tend to use a very few passwords because it's a pain to remember them all. You write them down, things like that. Secondly, they're quite easy for bad people to obtain your passwords, then break into sites and stop you getting into them. Now, we talked in the past about two-factor authentication, for example, where you have a code sent to your phone which you then type in, something like that, or even authenticator apps where you put in a code that keeps changing into the website to prove who you are. But these apps do as well. A number of times bad actors trying to get into the site will ring you up and say tell me the code's been sent to your phone, put it in, things like that, and they can break in that way. Makes a number of difficulties. It's all about social engineering really. The benefit with passkeys is that they're a very secure way of uniquely getting into a website. You have a unique code, everybody else has a unique code, so you're never going to use them. And every different website you go to and set up a passkey for will have a different code. Okay? And another good advantage is that it doesn't involve your input, so it's very, very secure. All you do is press a button to say set up a passcode. We'll show you later. Set up a passkey, sorry. We'll show you later how to do that. And there's no need for you to put in a number or your date of birth or anything like that. And when you go to the website and sign in, then you can use a fingerprint or a face scan, sort of biometrics, or you could use a device pin or a key. We'll show you how to actually get into the website and set up things later on in this. And because they're unique, if somebody sends you an email and sends you to a false site, for example, a search engine or a false bank account or something like that, then you can't enter the passkey into that site because the passkey doesn't recognize that as being the genuine site, because it isn't. Simple enough. So that's pretty good. So they're very highly resistant to phishing attacks. Can't use them on fake websites. You don't have to remember complex keywords, anything like that. So they're making things more user-friendly. Okay, and you can sign in using your fingerprint on your phone or something like that. Okay, and the secrets of the passkeys aren't stored on servers, so people can't break into the data breach and get hold of those sorts of things. So it makes things really, really useful. The one thing I would suggest is that you actually save them to a central location, for example, your hardware key like that, or maybe a password manager, something along those lines. Because the disadvantage of passkeys is that they're very device dependent. So if you lose the device, then all the passkeys have gone and you can't get into the website again. So it's always a good idea to use some sort of independent storage. Also, because they're device dependent, if you have a number of devices, then you can share the passkeys between all those devices and get into the websites as appropriate. Okay. So I'd recommend using a Sonar Store. So a lot of big people use passkeys, such as Microsoft, Apple, Google, those sorts of things. Let's go and have a look at logging into a website using a passkey and see how simple it is. After that, we'll show you how to set up a passkey. So let's see how simple it is to use a passkey. Now I've set one up already on Google, so let's log in. We're on the Google page here, so we'll just click to sign in, pick the person you want to sign in, go, verify it's you, log in with the passkey, click that, logs me in. There you go, nice and simple. So didn't have the time and a password to be exposed. It knows it's very, very secure because it knows it's me, because I'm the only one who's got that particular passkey, and we're logged in. So nice and easy. Let's just log out again. Right, so let's say about setting up a passkey. We're going to put it onto my Microsoft account because I haven't got a passkey on there yet. So as you can see, I'm already logged in using my traditional password. So let's set up a passkey. We go to my account manager, go to my Microsoft account. Here we come. Pop down security on the side. Then we go to manage how I sign in. There'll be different things on Google and stuff like that. We're just establishing the principle here. Okay. So I'm going to add a new way to sign in or verify. Face, finger, pin and security key. It doesn't sound like a passkey, but this is one we're going for on this one. Select your passkey. Add the passkey to my password manager. And give this passkey, where's your passkey saved? Okay. And LastPass. Go next. Wait for it to complete on this. Okay. So let's click. Let's sign out. Here we go. Sign in. So put my name in. Okay, log in with the passkey. And it really is that simple. Easy peasy. Well, that's how benefits of passkeys, how to use them, how to set them up. So I hope you're going to find it really useful, and I recommend starting to use passkeys whenever you can. Now, as ever, it's been fun making this video. Hope you found it useful and enjoyable. I certainly did. Please, if you found it useful, do like it, share it with other people, and do please subscribe so we can get the numbers up. I'm looking for another 100 people by the end of the month that you're watching this video in. So let's just keep going bigger and bigger and bigger. And remember, whenever you want me to do something, a video on something that you find really interesting, pop it in the comments below and I'll see what I can do for you. Okay? Bye.